Hello guys, today I will be unboxing an ARGB cabinet fan of NE Sports, the NE Sports Superflow 120mm fan kit. So if you have been thinking of increasing the airflow in your PC as well as adding some LED lighting to your PC while staying in tight budget, this might be the one for you. And to find out, let's get started with the unboxing of this ARGB fan kit. So this is the package I have received from Amazon. On cutting, we have the bill of rupees 2200 rupees, which is a decent pricing for this kit. And here's the box of the product. It came nicely packed in this yellow box. On the front, we have the image of the fan. On the side, some branding. And on the back side, you can see the price is mentioned as 4,999, but you will get it for rupees 2300 as of making this video. Some features also mentioned as addressable ARGB, as the fans comes with ARGB, silent cooling technology, hybrid design, which the company claimed to provide a static decent air pressure without compromising the airflow. Shock absorbent pad on 4 corners of the fan's housing. Now let's break the seal and check the product itself. First, we have a small box, and further inside here we have the fans, which also comes in separate pack. The packaging is really nicely done by NE Sports. And here's the fan. It's looking good and it has got a dual ring RGB part. Now let's check what do we have in this small box. This is the user manual as well as the warranty card for the fans. And this yellow piece is the welcome card by NE Sports. And we have this tiny package which houses the screw for mounting the fans. All these tiny bits is making the fan really premium. We also have a controller box for the fan. It acts as a hub as well as a controller for the ARGB lighting. It can take up to 10 fans. On the back, the double-sided tape for sticking it inside the cabinet, the ARGB header, and the SATA power connector for powering up the fans. We also got this cute little remote to control the RGB unit of the fans. You can change the effects, colors, brightness, and the speed of the effects of lighting with this remote, which I will show you at the end. The build and the finish of the remote is also good. It comes with a CR2025 cell. So this is how the fans looks like when it is installed in a cabinet. As you can see here, I have installed all the 3 fans in this row, and via this remote you can control the RGB lighting and some speed and brightness and some effects with this remote. I will this is the power on button, and as it is turned on, now I will turn it off. As you can see, it is turned off. I will turn it on, and this button is to choose between the remote control effects, or just you can set it via the motherboard. The MB stands for motherboard. Now it is being controlled via this remote, and now I will press this MB button, and you can see here it is static now, as it has been synced with the motherboard software. And now I will turn back it on to RC control, as you can see here, and now I will change its effects, like this one, this It has got several effects. I haven't counted how many it is, but there are a lot of effects like this and this and this. There are a lot of effects. You can try it by yourself. Here this is to change the effects, and this S minus or S plus is for the speed. I've increased the speed. The effects is running faster, and now I will decrease the speed, and as you can see here it has been slowed down. I will boost it up again, and you can also control the brightness. I have lowered the brightness and crank up the brightness. You can also choose from these colors, like this one, pink one I guess, and the orange. This is green, this is yellow, and this is white. So as you can see here, the LED colors can be easily controlled via this remote, and this is now in auto mode. It is changing its color automatically. So to end the video, I would say for 2200 rupees to 2300 rupees, this ARGB fan kit is a good deal. You are getting decent build quality and also the controller hub to control the fans, even if your motherboard does not support the ARGB header. And also for those who has the support for ARGB headers, it will support any proprietary software that comes with your motherboard, like the Asus Aura Sync, ASRock's Polychrome Syncs, and MSI Mystic Light, etc. So that's all in today's video guys. Thumbs if you have liked it, and comment, share and subscribe. See you all later.